Class 8 Social Science Geography Unit 5. Welcome back students. Today our session is about hazards. In this session we are going to discuss about its type and major hazards in India and also for the need of preventive measures. Let's get into our lesson. Hazards. Introduction. Hazards are defined as a thing, person, event or factor that poses a threat to people, structures or economic assets which may cause a disaster. Hazards could be either human-made or naturally occurring in the environment. Hazards is derived from the French word hazard, meaning the game of dice. A natural hazard is a process, an event that is a potential threat to human life and property. The process and events become hazardous because of human use of the land. A disaster is a hazardous event that occurs over a limited time span in a defined area and causes great damage to property or loss of life. A catastrophic is a massive disaster that requires significant expenditure of money and a long time for recovery. Let's see about the types of hazards. Some hazards occur frequently and threat the people. They are classified on different ways, such as based on their cause of occurrence, like natural hazards, human-made and socio-natural, and based on their origin like atmospheric, geological, seismic, hydrologic, volcanic, biological, and technological and human-induced. Let's see in detail about them, starting from natural hazards. These are the results of natural processes and man has no role to play in such hazards. The main examples of natural hazards are earthquakes, floods, cyclonic storms, droughts, landslides, tsunamis, and volcanic eruptions. Next, human-made hazards. These are caused by undesirable activities of human. It can be the result of an accident. Some of the examples are explosions, hazardous wastes, pollution of air, water and land, dam failures, wars or civil conflicts and terrorism. Next, socio-natural hazards. These are caused by the combined effect of natural forces and misdeeds of human. Some of the examples are the frequency and intensity of floods and droughts may increase due to the indiscriminate felling of trees. Landslides are caused by natural forces and their frequency and impact may be aggravated as a result of construction of roads, houses, etc. in mountainous areas. Smoke is a serious problem in most big urban areas. The emissions from vehicles and industries, combustion of wood, coal combined together. Let's see some of the examples of the hazards which are categorized based on their origin. Atmospheric hazard, tropic storms, thunderstorms, lightning, then heat waves, fog and forest fire. These are all examples for atmospheric hazard. Geological or a seismic hazard, that is a earthquake, tsunami, landslide and land subsidence. Hydrologic hazard, floods, droughts, coastal erosion and storm surges. Volcanic hazard, eruptions and lava flows. Environmental hazard, pollution of soil, air, water, global warming, and deforestation. Biological hazard, chickenpox, smallpox, AIDS, that is HIV, and killer bees. Technological hazard, hazardous material incidents, fires, infrastructure failures of bridges, tunnels, dams, nuclear and radiological accidents. Human induced hazard, terrorism, bomb blast, war, transportation accidents, and civil disorder. Answer in brief. Define hazard. Hazards are defined as a thing, person, event, or factor that poses a threat to people, structures, or economic assets which may cause a disaster. Second question. What are the major types of hazards? Atmospheric hazard, geological hazard, hydrological hazard, volcanic hazard, environmental hazard, biological hazard, human induced hazard, technological hazard. Third question. Write a brief note on hazardous wastes. The wastes that may or tend to cause adverse health effects on the ecosystem and human beings are called hazardous wastes. Fourth question. List out the major flood-prone areas of our country. The major flood-prone areas in north and northeast India are Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, North Bihar, West Bengal, and Brahmaputra Valley. Coastal Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, and southern Gujarat are the major regions which may also prone to flood often. Distinguish the following. First question, hazards and disaster. Hazard. A natural hazard is a natural process and event that is a potential threat to human life and property. Disasters. A disaster is a hazardous event that occurs over a limited time span in a defined area and causes great damage to property, loss of life, also need assistance from others. Second question, natural hazard and human made hazard. Natural hazards, these are the results of natural processes and man has no role to play in such hazards. In human made hazards, these are caused by undesirable activities of human. It can be the result of an accident such as industrial chemical leak or oil spill. In natural hazards, for example, earthquakes, floods, cyclonic storms and volcanic eruptions. Here human made hazards, for example, hazardous wastes, pollution of air, water and land, etc. Learn and write these question answers in your social science homework notebook and send it in Google Classroom. Thank you, students.